Hello everyone, I am Jayshri Bej, a first year undergraduate student from Computer Science and Engineering Department, 4 year at Iit Kharagpur. My roll number 21CS10034 and I am in section 80. For my second day assignment, I have created fire alarm using Tinkercad. We all know that basically small incident can lead to severe damage to society and it is always better to take precautions before the accident. In this fire alarm system, I have made some components are Arduino UNO, piezo buzzer, red LED, register, temperature sensor, gas sensor. Here it my circuit format and here it my circuit. Firstly, I use Arduino UNO that is a microcontroller, a breadboard to make the connection, a gas sensor to detect smoke around us, a piezo buzzer to be a velocity display to display the alarming messages. I have also used LED. In wiring process, the green color code ground purpose, the red color code power purpose, blue color code is for analog purpose, and I have also write the code. Here it is my code which I am written. I have shared mode input and output system and written according the project will work. LED is given pin 13 which is given here. Piezo is connected here. Piezo is connected 7. Coming to Arduino setup, pin mode A0 as considered input, A1 as input as well, LED and piezo as considered as output. If the temperature greater 80 or equal to 80, the LED is set to high, else LED is set to low. If gas sensor greater 100, piezo is set to high or else piezo is set to low. Now to differentiate between the gas value and the temperature value using serial print is clearly types which is what value. Delay 1000 millisecond is 1 second is given. Then opening serial monitor start stimulation for absorb the changes. Here starting the stimulation. Here the initial value are 24 and gas sensor is 319. Let's click on gas sensor. Here the smoke is constant around the gas sensor and that's why the piezo buzzer is buzzing. Then the smoke far away from the gas sensor. There here now here the gas are far away from the gas sensor. We notice that the value are dropped 24 and 85 which is less than 100 that we gave, so the piezo buzzer stopped buzzing. Then here copy the code. Then firstly I stopped here in stimulation and copy the code and paste it Arduino IDE. Here I can paste it and compile it. Here success. Here the compiled is successfully and saved on here. Done verifying sketch. So this is my project for DI assignment 2. Thank you.